There we go. Small. Another little dink. Hello, little guy. Look at him. Oh. Back into the lake you go. Grow nice and big. Chris here, back with another video. Today I got my Bass Pro Shops hat on, and that could only mean one thing. That's right, you guessed it. We're doing some bass fishing. It shouldn't take long to hook into something. So let's get to fishing. Couple guys fishing on my side. I'm gonna go to the other side. Damn it, they took the good side. That's where all the fish are. But I got another secret spot over on the other side that nobody knows about. Alright, we're gonna be starting off with this little rooster tail right here. There's one. Third cast. Alright, come. Oh shit. He fell. Get over here. Don't you flop. I'm trying to save your life. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's not drop him for a third time. Not a bad size. This is one of the medium-sized ones in this lake. There are some monsters. I've seen some largemouth where you can fit your whole fist into the mouth of the bass. Let's get him back. This rooster tail has done me wonders, man. The amount of fish that thing has caught me. So there we go, third cast. I already hooked into one. I wouldn't be surprised if I hook into another one here. There's one. Small. Oh, he came off. Very small. He was maybe 3 times the length of the lure. Couple more casts with this guy and I'm going to switch over to my other lure. Alright, time to swap. Oh, they're going to take off. There goes the Canadian military. Honestly, our military probably has a better chance if we recruit those things. There we go. Small. Another little dink. Hello, little guy. Look at him. Oh. Back into the lake you go. Grow nice and big. There's one. Decent size. Same size as the last one. Fell off again. Now this is my super secret spot. Of course it's trashed. Somebody threw this basket in here. There we go. Small one again. Oh my gosh, he's so tiny. Another little dink. Another small one. There he goes. Come on, give me the big ones here. You know what's funny? I never catch the little ones until I put it on camera. I always catch those medium-sized ones here. The second I start filming is the second I get every single dink in the lake. Right at the bank here. Another little small one. I didn't even set the hook, nothing. Another little one here. Go free. There he goes. It's probably the same one that I caught before. Absolutely nothing but bait fish today. Now that those guys left, I'm gonna go take their spot. There's one. Another small one. Truly nothing but the dinks today. Crazy. I think it's the same fish that keeps coming back, because this is getting ridiculous. At least give me a medium-sized one here. That might be a good size. Again, small. Hey, at least I'm catching fish, right? At least I'm catching fish. Well, the bite's falling off. Should I go mess around with the blue gigi a little bit? I want to catch one. I gotta show you these bluegills. Some of them are absolutely gorgeous. Holy! Absolute unit. A380s are gorgeous. Alright, let's mess around with these. There's one. Caught him instantly. They're all just sitting right here. Ooh, that almost went through your eye. That almost went through his eye. Oh, that did go through his eye. Look at the colors on him. Let's try for another one. There's another one. A little bit bigger. Still just as small. Similar color. Similar color to the last. Drop it right back in. I wish all fish were this easy to catch. Another one. And this is why the limit's 50. Oh, that's a big sunfish. Ah, that's no sunfish. What is this thing? Oh, it's a rock bass. All right, stop moving around. Okay, there we go. That's a rock bass. Look at this. I love the red eyes it's got and the patterning on the side. Such a nice looking fish. There's another little sunfish. There's another little one here. Alright, I think I'm gonna call it there. We messed around with the bluegills enough. All these bugs around me. Well, that was fun. All right, well, that was a fun day. We caught a whole bunch of bass. So much bass, in fact, that I actually lost count. Today was just dink after dink after dink. Normally, the bass in this pond is the size of the first one that I caught. Every time you come here, you'll catch as much bass as I just caught, except they'll all be that size, the big size. I think the bass eggs are starting to hatch, and that's why there's a whole bunch of small ones swimming around. I'm gonna come back here in the fall and they should all be of, you know, a decent size. But anyway, if you did enjoy this video, please go check out the rest of my content. I got a whole bunch of videos that I've uploaded on my YouTube. Don't forget to like, comment, share, all the good stuff. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.